Another day, another story. Welcome to The Power of Fermented Foods. Transform your health with these delicious recipes. In this video, we will explore the benefits of fermented foods and share some easy-to-make recipes that you can try at home. Benefits of fermented foods. Fermented foods are a rich source of probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that can help improve digestion, boost immunity, and promote overall health. Probiotics can also help to reduce inflammation, which can lead to a host of health problems if left unchecked. By incorporating more fermented foods into your diet, you can help support your gut health and overall wellness. 5 delicious fermented food recipes. Now that we know about the benefits of fermented foods, let's dive into 5 delicious and easy-to-make recipes. Kimchi fried rice. Kimchi is a spicy Korean fermented cabbage that is packed with flavor and probiotics. This recipe for kimchi fried rice is a delicious way to incorporate this superfood into your diet. First, cook 1 cup of rice according to the package instructions. In a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil and add 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 chopped onion. Cook until the onion is translucent, then add 2 cups of chopped kimchi and cook for about 5 minutes. Add the cooked rice and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce to the pan and mix well. If desired, top with a fried egg and serve hot. Sauerkraut salad. Sauerkraut is a German fermented cabbage that is tangy and delicious. This recipe for sauerkraut salad is a quick and easy way to incorporate this tasty food into your diet. In a bowl, mix together 2 cups of sauerkraut, 1 chopped apple, 1 chopped carrot, and a handful of chopped parsley. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and mix well. Serve chilled. Yogurt parfait. Yogurt is a fermented food that is rich in probiotics and protein. This recipe for a yogurt parfait is a delicious and healthy way to start your day. In a bowl, mix together 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a dash of cinnamon. In a separate bowl, slice 1 banana and mix it with a handful of blueberries. Layer the yogurt and fruit in a glass and top with a sprinkle of granola. Enjoy. Kombucha mocktail. Kombucha is a fermented tea that is tangy and refreshing. This recipe for a kombucha mocktail is a great way to enjoy this tasty beverage any time of day. In a glass, mix together 1 cup of kombucha and 1 tablespoon of honey. Add a splash of cranberry juice and top with a wedge of lime. Add ice and enjoy your delicious and healthy mocktail. Fermented salsa. Salsa is a tasty and versatile condiment that can be enjoyed in many ways. This recipe for fermented salsa is a healthy and delicious twist on a classic favorite. In a food processor, pulse 1 chopped onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a handful of cilantro. Add 4 chopped tomatoes, 1 chopped jalapeno pepper, and the juice of 1 lime. Transfer the mixture to a jar and let it ferment for 24 to 48 hours. Serve chilled with your favorite corn chips or as a topping for tacos or burritos. Thanks for joining us for The Power of Fermented Foods. Transform your health with these delicious recipes. We hope you enjoyed learning about the benefits of fermented foods and trying out these easy and tasty recipes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one. Thanks for watching.